Hey, Roger again with Burgess. There's some new wording in the 2018 IRC which allows things like this, large commercial ranges to be installed in dwelling units. In the gas section 2447.2, there's now an exception. So appliances or ranges labeled only as commercial can't be installed in dwelling units unless, and the exception has to do with the installation being designed by an engineer. So now those budding chefs out there can have their commercial range installed in dwelling units per the 2018 IRC. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for more.